Hey guys, may sunflower sila oh. Ando no. It's rare, right?
Yeah.
It's very rare to have sunflower. Buti na lang, today is Mother's Day. Guys, so dito na naman tayo sa ating Soki. Yan, the flower shop. You can find only here in Lulu, second floor, in Anfala Street. So if you're staying nearby, so you can come and visit here. And yan, may Soki. Yeah, he will give you the best price. Ayan na nga guys.
Por esa blanca tío ba? Tiene ngayon? Ando, ano man tayo kumpra? Thank you very much for the Mother's Day. I love you. My Muslim girl, daughter.